So next one is enzyme catalysis. So enzymes are involved in the chemical reactions and these are increases the rate of reaction. So these are the enzyme catalysis. So what are the sources of enzymes? What is the enzymatic reaction of corresponding enzymes? So now types of enzymes, these sources and also enzymatic reactions. Actually invertage is the one of the enzyme, so its source is yeast. What is its source is yeast. So this function is yeast is the source and the invertage function is it is converted into glucose and fructose from what is sucrose. So then sucrose converted into glucose plus what is fructose, glucose and fructose. So invertase enzyme source is sucrose. So what is its enzymatic reaction? It converts glucose into what is sucrose into glucose and fructose. So formation of glucose and fructose from sucrose, the catalyst is the invertage. So second one is zymase. What is it? The name of the enzyme is zymase. Now source also what is yeast? Its a source also yeast. What is yeast? So now its function is glucose. Okay, glucose converted into ethyl alcohol and CO. What is CO? Ethyl alcohol and CO. So actually it is CO2. So in this process it is the molasses process, fermentation. So it is molasses. So then glucose into ethyl alcohol. So what is ethyl alcohol? C2H5OH is the main product, wherein CO2 carbon dioxide is the byproduct. So now glucose is converted into ethyl alcohol and carbon dioxide in the presence of zymase catalyst. What is a zymase catalyst? So next catalyst diastase. What is the next catalyst? Diastase. Its source is malt. So then its function is starch is converted into maltose. What is a starch? Is converted into maltose. Okay. So now diastase enzyme function as starch converted into maltose. What is it? Starch converted into maltose. So next one is maltase. The name of the enzyme is the maltase. Its source is yeast. What is its source is yeast. So now maltose converted into glucose. Okay, maltose converted into glucose. Next enzyme is urease. Next enzyme is what is urease. Its source is soybean. So its source is soybean. Urea converted into ammonia. What is urea converted into ammonia? So ammonia and what is CO? Carbon monoxides. What is carbon monoxide? So now next enzyme is pepsin. What is the next enzyme is pepsin. So it is the source is stomach. STOMACH is the stomach. So proteins are converted into amino acids. What are proteins are converted into amino acids? Proteins are converted into amino acids. So now trypsin. What is trypsin? The name of the enzyme is trypsin. It is present in intestine. In the what is stomach, intestine. So proteins are converted into peptides. So proteins are converted into peptides. proteins are converted into peptides. So next one is lactobacilli. The name of the enzyme is lactobacilli. What is it? The name of the enzyme is lactobacilli. So its source is curd. Its source is curd. So then lactose converted into lactic acid. It is the lactose. Okay, lactose change into lactic acid. That is a lactic acid. So now these are the enzymes, source and enzymatic reactions. Enzymatic reactions. So these are all the enzymes. So these are the sources and it is the enzymatic reactions. See once. So the name of the enzyme is invertase. Its source is yeast. So now it is used in the reaction of sucrose converted into glucose and fructose. What is sucrose? C12, H22 and O11. So in the presence of water and also invertage. What is invertage? Okay, hydrolysis of sucrose. So then it is glucose C6H12O6. It is also C6H12O6, glucose and fructose. So next enzyme is zymase. So zymase source also what is yeast. So now it is used in the reaction of glucose converted into ethyl alcohol and carbon dioxide. So then carbon dioxide is the byproduct. What is the byproduct in this process? Okay. So now next enzyme is a diastase. So diastase source is malt. What is a malt? So it is used in the reaction of starch converted into what is a maltose. So simply starch is the carbohydrate. Starch is the carbohydrate. So next one is maltase. So its source also yeast. So it is present in yeast. So then maltase enzyme used for maltose converted into what is glucose. Maltose converted into glucose. Next one is urease. What is the name of the enzyme? Urease. So it is present in soybean. So now urea converted into ammonia and carbon monoxide. So what is urea? So it is NH2. It is C double bond O. It is NH2. So NH2 C double bond O, NH2 is urea. So it is converted into ammonia. What is ammonia? It is NH3. Actually urea is used as a fertilizer in plants. Okay, fertilizers. Okay, next enzyme is pepsin. The name of the enzyme is pepsin. So now it is present in the stomach. So its function is proteins are converted into amino acids. Protein are converted into amino acids. So next enzyme is trypsin. So it is present in intestine. So then its function is proteins are converted into peptides. So proteins are converted into amino acids in the presence of what is pepsin. Proteins are converted into peptides in the presence of trypsin. So the next enzyme is the lactobacilli enzyme. So its source is curd. So now lactose converted into lactic acid. So these are the enzymatic catalysis reactions. After completion of catalysis, then we are going to discuss about colloids. What is a colloids? So now the types of the colloids and the preparation methods of the colloids.